Hello, this is Mary with Mango Math, and I'm here with Millie to give a lesson tutorial out of our sports and math kit.
Hockey, a sport in which you are to push a puck across a field of ice in order to get it into the net on the other side. In hockey, the players often bank the puck off against a wall to get it to go in a different angle to another player on the field or into the goal line. So what we're going to do is that idea of banking the puck off the goal. So you'll have two dice that you're going to roll to get a coordinate on the field. And so in this case, the coordinate is going to be 2, 7, or you can have it as 7, 2. It's up to you on what you want to do. Let's do 2, 7. So go over to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm going to mark this point. Now I'm going to try to figure out where on the side I want to mark my next point so that I could get a bank off the wall that's going to land into the net of the other player. Now the other player, once you get that point, so let's say I just pick this point right here. And I don't have to measure that where that point is. I'm just going to mark that point as my bank. So the other team player is going to mark one of these spots as a blocking point. So let's say I marked the D, and I'm going to mark D. So if they hit at the D, it means I blocked it. So one of the things you should know when you are hitting a wall, the puck off the wall, is the degree, and I'm going to draw a line here, the degree that you hit the wall at is the degree it's going to come off of. So students will use a protractor, and this is just an image of one and not a great one, but I'm going to try to get that degree of this angle here. So you can see that this came off at about 25. The angle here is about 25, so meaning I can go to this, so that means the puck has to come off at a 25-degree angle. So I'm going to come off at about that angle, and you'll have a ruler to draw nice straight lines. And you'll see that I missed completely. I banked incorrectly, so I missed and I didn't score. So the player on the other side gets to do the same thing. Roll the dice, mark the point. So let's say I rolled the dice again, and this one rolled out to be a 8, and I have 7, 8. So I'm going to go over 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here's where my puck lands. The other player's puck. Now a new player. And I'm going to try to decide where I want the puck to hit off the bank. And so let me do a little bit different strategy this time. So I'm going to go right here. And I'm going to draw this point to this point as straight as I can. I'm going to then take my protractor. I'm going to move it so I can read it on this one. And I see that I now have a, looks like about 60. So I came off, I'm going to come off the wall at a 60-degree angle. Oh, and the other player gets to mark their spot. And know that I would be going the reverse direction. I'm going in the same direction for two players, but the players will have different sides that they're protecting. So let me, as the other player, decide what one I want to protect. I'm going to protect C. So the player is going to come off at a 60-degree angle. So you can see I'm going to go right through that 60-degree angle, and I'm going to follow up. And it looks like I missed again. So the players are just going to be continually trying to figure out what angle they can take in order to get into this net of the other opponent. So that's what you're doing when you're playing hockey. Enjoy.